Currently, there are two deadly cassava diseases in Southeast Asia: Cassava Witches Broom Disease, or CWBD, and Cassava Mosaic Disease, or CMD. In this video, we are going to learn about Cassava Witches Broom Disease and how to prevent it. Cassava Witches Broom Disease is caused by a bacteria called phytoplasma, for which there is currently no cure. These live inside the cassava stem and are too small to be seen with our eyes. The disease was first reported in eastern Thailand in the 1990s and in 2009. It has since spread to many cassava-producing countries throughout Southeast Asia. In Laos, the disease appears in almost all areas where cassava is grown. Symptoms of the disease are: the infected plant is small and grows abnormally, with short internodes and many small clustered and yellow leaves that look like a witch's broom. When a stem is cut, the inside can appear brown, and the inside of the root can turn brown. In serious cases, the top of the plant will die and turn black. When harvesting the roots, they are small and the starch content is very low. The disease can spread in two ways. First, using infected planting materials from other sources to plant. This is because bacteria stays inside the cassava stem. And second, small flying insects transmit the phytoplasma from one plant to another. Impacts of the disease are: the disease causes impacts on cassava roots and starch content, and infects planting material for the next planting season. If the spread of disease is severe, root yields can be lowered by up to 80%. Therefore, everyone should take care to prevent CWB from arriving and spreading in their fields. This can significantly impact the income generated from cassava production. Farmers not only have less roots to sell, but the conversion of roots to dried cassava chips or to starch will decline, which can impact prices that traders and processors will pay. To control the disease, there is currently no effective control method. To stop the spread of the disease, the following prevention measures should be taken. First, do not bring cassava planting materials from areas where the disease is already present. If you are getting stems from someone else, ask them if the field was healthy and check the stems for symptoms of witches broom disease, like short internodes, many small yellow leaves, and a brown ring inside the stem. Second, if your field has this disease, carefully select only stems from healthy plants with no symptoms to save for the next planting season. Third, select infected plants and remove them from your field, destroying them by burning or burying them. Fourth, grow varieties that are more resistant to cassava witches broom. Contact your local extension worker for advice. Fifth, clean or burn the cassava stem waste before planting. And sixth, improve soil quality by applying manure and chemical fertilizers to keep your cassava healthy. Just like humans, healthy plants can resist diseases better. If the diseased stems are planted in good quality soil and not too dry, the symptoms of the disease might be reduced or disappear completely. But when the cassava is planted in poor soil or dry conditions, the disease symptoms might return. What have we learned in this video? Cassava Witches Broom Disease is spread by insects and by using infected planting materials. Severe outbreaks of this disease can cause yield losses up to 80%. To stop the spread of the disease, do not get your planting materials from areas where the disease is present. Only use clean stems and healthy varieties for planting. Infected plants must be removed from the field to be destroyed or burned. Clean or burn the waste of cassava before planting. And maintain good soil fertility by using manure and balanced fertilizers to keep plants healthy to resist the disease.